Hi, it's Mark Orman, December 10th, 2010. Today is the 60th anniversary of my birth. So, as you know, if you've been following, you know I do something crazy, and I am at Orange County Fitness and Sports, and over here is Joyce, and she's going to take me through a nice, easy workout because it's my birthday today. And couple things. My body weight increased by almost 30 pounds this year, and I'm still wearing the same size pants. And for all of you that are celebrating Festivus and need to do feats of strength, you can use this video and share it with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is this little thing with a 55-pound kettlebell. So about 5 reps on each side, so let's have some fun.
You got it. Let's go. Nice. Very nice.
Okay. This is Big Daddy. Gonna do the Big Daddy lunge.
That's the best part.
50-pound medicine ball. They didn't have anything heavier for me. Better go back a little further.
I said, girl, that's it. Good job. Two. Last one, Mark. Nice. Circle out. Good. And now take it home. Go crazy, Mark. Nice.